All right, so now we have to prove these triangles using the side angle side. Now, this is a little arrow that's kind of pointing towards the angle part of that. Now, the angle has to be between the sides, all right? So if you look at this problem, I have a side here and a side here. I have an angle here and I have an angle here. So the side that I need to prove the triangles to be congruent, the angle has to be trapped between them. So what that means is, if I choose, say, ZX and HF, because those two correspond to each other. In other words, if I say I need to know these two things. Now, is that side angle side or is that side angle? Yeah, so because it's side angled, that won't work. I need side angle side. So I can't choose those sides. I have to somehow figure out if these two sides are congruent. So what I really need to know is I need to know, or to prove side angle side, I need to show that YZ is congruent to GF. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, good.